Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's me, I'm still alive. If you guys are still watching, if you are, thanks. So if you guys remember, if you do still remember, or if you even still watch my videos, I actually did some reviews in the past. On my popular videos, I actually had an Evo VR headset review, which I don't know how I got like 500 views. That was pretty cool. Another one was Assassin's Creed and figure, and one Transformer. I really don't remember much, but I know one was a Transformers Revenge of the Fallen something. I forgot, it was a jet. I still got it? Yeah, I still got it. So, I've just been, I don't know what to post anymore, so I'm just going to post another review. Today we're reviewing the Transformers Studio Series 42 Long Haul. It's from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen, as it says there in the box. Geez, it's been a long time since I made videos, so I am very, very, very weirded out right now for some reason. I don't know. I'm just tired. So, here's the box. Move the figure to the side. Here we have a really cool picture of Long Haul. Him punching you. See, it's a studio series, as I said. It's from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. It's number 42. It's a Constructicon, the film Devastator. Pretty cool art there. Has a Devastator logo right there. And on the back, I really can't move my camera, so yeah. Right there is number 43, which is KSI Boss, which is a repaint of Nitro Zeus. And right here is a little cool pose with the background picture. What you get with him? Well, you get nothing except for him. But you do get but you do get a really cool background of the desert, or yeah, Egypt, where he was in. Real cool. And what else? It's just the instructions. Now for the figure itself. The truck is really nice. It's very accurate to the CG model or the truck that was used in the movie. Bad part is, in the original toy, you can lift it tray, whatever you call it, back in. But this figure, you really, well, you can, but you just gotta pop this out, disconnect these, and now you can lift it up. Really cool. But for size comparisons, here he is with Studio Series Lockdown. To be honest, I don't think a Lamborghini and dump truck like this is going to be really close to accurate here, because a Lamborghini is way smaller than a dump truck. Like common knowledge. Now we have Studio Series Jazz. He's a fairly small figure, which I'm not sure if it does, or I guess we're trying to go with a really good sizing here. But I'm not sure if a Pontiac Solstice really goes well with a big dump truck like Long Haul. And now we have Optimus Prime. I would say it's pretty decent. I'm not. The height of it, I don't know if the camera's really showing this, but this just dwarfs this, even though they're both Voyagers. Now for transformation. The transformation is pretty simple. What I like to do first is take the arms here and pull it from there and shoot and mine comes unplugged like that. I'm not sure if yours will too, but pull on the other side, unpeg it. Well, plus unpeg the side backs here too, but mine's already unplugged, so now we have his tray lifted up. Now unlatch the wheels, pull them back here like you do the wheelie. Underneath here, you would pull the arm out here, and since the screw is showing, I'm not sure if the screw is showing on yours, but make sure this side is pointing forward, and twist at the elbow till the arm is nice, good looking like this. And now the side panel here, where his big guns are, you like to pull apart from the actual arm, slide forward, and flip it down. Now you like to push it back in. Simple as that. Do the same thing over here. Flip it forward and flip it down and push it back in. Simple as that. Now take the wheels. You have to rotate them back here. And there's going to be a little slot and a little peg. You push them in until you hear or click, whatever you call it. And take the wheels and just on how you ever want to. I like pulling down. I take the head and twist it around. Now take the back on the back here. You take the backpack or the back part, split from the legs, and accordion up here. And there's going to be a slot. And it's going to be thing to go in the slot. Now you pull it. Now when you peg it in, come to the front, split the legs, take the wheels, flip it forward. My wheel don't really like. That doesn't sound good, but you're supposed to hear a pop. You know, you twist the legs at the ankle. And right here's the little toe. So you flip it down and you just push it down as far as it'll go. Just don't break it or anything. Let me just straighten out. And here you go. Here's Studio Series Long Haul. And let me tell you something. I do not have the first figure that came out. And I love this figure. Just the way it looks, just the way it transforms, just the detail of it. I love the Transformers Revenge of the Fallen movie. A lot of people don't. I'm going to say I like it. And Long Haul is one of my favorite characters out of all of the bunch. Why? Look at him. He looks like he can break a Transformer in half, just like Megatron did to Jazz. And, it's just, I love the paint detail. The paint detail is awesome. It matches him in the movie. Sadly enough, I do not have the original figure from the 2009 movie. So, this is what I got. Now for size comparisons, here is him with Optimus. My mind went blank there. And for some reason, well, for many reasons actually, Optimus Prime is taller. Not even this piece right here, there it is about tall as him. No, he's completely hovers over him. He dwarfs him. Optimus Prime dwarfs him. But he dwarfs him too, so this equals out. Next up, we have Lockdown. Mine don't like standing up, so it's in a weird position. So yeah, that's how they look compared together. And now for Jazz. Jesus, Mom. Now, finally, we will transform Long Haul into the lake mode. First off, you need to get him back into his truck mode, obviously. So how to get his foot mode for Devastator. First off, you can take the backs here, pull them apart. And take the side panels from the arms and pop them out. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to keep these pegged in. This is my first time transforming him into leg mode, so I'm going up by the instructions. So on the bottom here, you're going to have to unpeg them and flop them out like that. And pull back here. Now you're going to flip these around. Flip these around. And on the bottom here, you're going to have to rotate the thigh parts here. And now you do now you bring this up. Oh wow, that's a heavy ratchet joint. Now you tab these in together, I think so. I need some. Okay. So there's little slots up here and a tab right here. So you usually just tab them in and tab them in. So and now you flop this out, which I think will become his heel. You go in there till you hear pop. Now you flip these down. Now you, see, it's my first time doing this, so I'm a little finicky. Wait, I was already like that, so yeah, keep it like that. And, yeah, this is his leg mode. Hopefully done this right. I'm not sure where you connect the foot out. I'm probably just gonna have a lot of connection points. Whatever. I will probably get all the Constructicons. Probably not. And hopefully when I do, and when they all come out, I can form Devastator. Yeah, his foot mode's pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. Even though it's a foot, it's pretty cool. Might do that, but I'd rather do like that. So yeah, that's been it for this review. Hopefully you guys like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And tell me, please, if you want to see more review videos, because I'm pretty new to this and I'd like to do some more, because I got a lot more Transformers than I bargained for. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys made it to the end. And see you guys next time.